What's up, boys and girls? Brian Tong here, and yes, in front of me, you know what this is. This is the new M2 Max MacBook Pro. Now, Apple provided me with this for the purpose of unboxing and reviewing. Unboxing is what we're gonna do, but I'm just gonna let you all know, how slick was that, that this is a fully loaded M2 Max with the 12-core CPU, the 38-core GPU, 96 gigs of unified memory, and I think a 4 terabyte solid state drive, hard drive. You know how much I want to open this? You know how I want to undress this thing? Let's undress it. So let's just get a nice look. And also, like, the box, it's purple. It's purple. And I've got to imagine the M2 Pro is going to have a different color scheme on the box. Maybe, I don't know, maybe bluish, because that's kind of how they show off the processors. But let's just take it off. All right, I'm gonna cover up the serial number so all you weirdos don't try and do anything. But should we start? Should we get closer for the ASMR part, huh? Ooh, yeah. Take it off. Here we go. Number 2. Okay. Ooh, you like that sound? It's so sweet. It is so sweet. Okay, let's put this bad boy or this bad girl down. Okay. There you go. You see it all in its glory. Shall we do the reveal? Shall we do the reveal? Ready? Ah! Woo! Here you go. 16-inch M2 Max MacBook Pro. You got the paper covering on it. This is going to be, I believe, in space gray. Oh, look how nice this is. You have still the etched MacBook Pro down here on the bottom. I'm going to be careful not to rip this. This is like, oh. You have its feet here. It's still got that same hefty weight. There's nothing like opening a pristine MacBook Pro. All the ports here are gonna be at least physically exactly the same. The cool thing here is the HDMI port that is now on here. This is an HDMI 2.1, and what's important about that is you'll be able to support up to a single 8K display at 60 hertz, and that has implications for maybe what Apple might be setting themselves up for the future with their displays. But even a 4K display at 240 hertz through this port, really cool. Obviously, you got the SD card, USB-C Thunderbolt 4, 2 more USB-C Thunderbolt 4 audio jack, and then the MagSafe power adapter. It looks the same, but something tells me it's different because it's got the M2 Max inside. This is just glorious. Okay, let's put this on the side here. Here's another fun fact when unboxing this. This is the, I don't know if this is true or not, but we'll see. This is the MagSafe power cable, and from what I was told, or I had heard through the grapevine, is that this cable actually, the fabric cable, woven cable, matches closer to the space gray color, where last year it was still kind of on the M1 Max, the standard one. So I'm gonna pull this cable out here, and oh, I'm so bad at this. Am I just the worst unboxer? Don't answer that. I know what you're thinking. Oh my gosh. Seriously? Okay, how elegant. Whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna put this box over on the side. This is the cable that comes here. I do have my power adapter and cable for my original M1 Max, and yes, look, indeed. Look at here, boys and girls. The cables are different in color. This is from my M1 Max, and here's the M2 Max, which is space gray. So I'm gonna assume that the silver MacBook Pro will still have this cable, and the space gray will have this slightly darker woven cable. These are the little things, people. These are the little things. Okay, very nice. I'll put these down over here. Also, in the box, we'll do a little mix and match. Designed by Apple. You have the envelope, you have the manuals, and let's see if the stickers are dark because it's so pro. Look here, everybody. Stickers! Stickers! You got the, it's so pro because it's matte black. I mean, when I think of matte black, I'm just saying to myself, when are they gonna put out a matte black, like whatever, it's a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, ooh, that'd be nice. And then you have the 96 watt power adapter here, comes in it. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. But I'm going to open, oh, did I just spit on it again? I don't know if you've seen my unboxing videos, but yeah, sometimes I get a little excited. Okay, let's open this up, okay? And here, you hear that? Oh, you hear that. Unveil the beauty that is here. The new M2 Max MacBook Pro. It is gorgeous. You also, internally here, things that stand out is that, here we have like the setup screen obviously, but this also comes with the Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, so they're setting that up for the future. Just future-proofing, more compatible with faster Wi-Fi 6E networks. Again, you do have to have a Wi-Fi 6E router to be able to take advantage of Wi-Fi 6E. So those are really the new improvements. You still have the same amazing speakers and spatial audio. The other thing internally here is that makes this nice is that the battery life has been improved with the efficiency that they've built in, right? Apple's focus is not only performance, but efficiency and then battery power. So you're getting an extra hour on the 16-inch model, which is now 22 hours of battery. That's based on their estimates of watching video playback. On the 14-inch, it has gone from 17 to 18 hours. So both models get 1 hour more of battery juice. That is always welcome as well. But look, there's not much to say. This is gorgeous. This is a powerhouse. This is a beast. I'm gonna put it through these tests that I have. I've kind of started collecting a range of video rendering tests on Adobe Premiere and on Final Cut that I've run on at least 4 or 5 machines now. So we're gonna really be able to see where this ranks. You know, Apple's touted a 20% increase in CPU performance, 30% increase in GPU performance, and then a 40% increased AI performance with their neural engine in the M2 Max MacBook Pro 16-inch, fully loaded. This is the creme de la creme that I'm holding right here. So can't wait to get into it. But there you go, everybody. I'm just gonna say bye-bye. This is the unboxing of the new M2 Max MacBook Pro. My review will be coming up shortly, so come back to the channel because that's where we're gonna be, y'all.